I don't get that word.
Huh?
I don't get that word.
Come on, Monkey Shine. Welcome to this week's episode of Cajuns Adventures from Jungle Gardens down in South Louisiana. Jungle Gardens is a 170-acre botanical garden and bird sanctuary located on Avery Island, Louisiana.
I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. I wanna go
What you think, Steph?
It's really cool.
Close up.
and you make me crazy. Right before I go.
Yeah.
Ooh, look. Oh, there's a hole right there. You think there's an alligator in that hole?
Yeah, baby alligator.
Just a baby alligator would be in there?
It's possible.
And hey, baby alligator not here.
Or a snake.
A baby alligator doesn't scare you?
Maybe a cake.
Maybe a
Maybe
snake would
snake,
would
yeah.
carry you?
Oh, I mean runaway cake too.
snake would scare me.
Oh.
I see. Hey, alligator scare him and take away.
Okay.
He scare a cat away.
All right. Well, let's keep moving.
Alligator scare cat away.
Tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me
Mwah. Oh, yeah? The alligator's getting it?
Maggie, a real alligator, I hear him. Maggie. That alligator time is Cherokee.
The alligator sounds scary? Yeah?
I see that time.
What do alligators do?
Chomp.
Can you show me an alligator chomp? Show me.
I was about to say, the weather's great. No mosquitoes.
Oh, that's nice.
A real alligator, a gat alligator, hear him.
Chomp,
Yeah.
chomp.
Here's another one. See the alligator?
Right there, you see him? Yeah. See him? Right
there.
Look at the big turtle over here. Come look at the big turtle. Oh, we're in the water. We're in the water. Hey, tell Uncle. What would you do if I got him? Look, he's gonna go get him. You can take him home as a little pet. You can put him in the backyard. No, we're not gonna do that. That's it. This is Grover Cleveland's tree right here. He came and stayed with Mr. Jefferson because they were good friends back in the late 80s. This tree has a circumference of 23 feet and it's over 300 years old. The elephant. Going. Or a frog. It's in there.
Is that a bear? How are you gonna get past the tree?
Hey, get over feet.
Oh, get over the tree?
You gotta know where to go.
Ah, like that? Do you think Uncle P can do it?
Pete, hey, that tree is bigger.
Uncle P, can you get over the tree?
Yeah, to mark point D of the survey and the track land.
Good job, Uncle P.
Get out my way. Get
Get out of your way.
Get out my way. Right. No. Check. No.
Race? No. But I'm not as fast as him.
So
Here we have this gift that two of Mr. McElhaney's compadres from New York gave him. Because of all this bamboo, they thought this would be a great gift. Okay, we have a bamboo garden here. And we've got these Buddha statues. Okay, got the elephant and Mr. Buddha himself. Okay, this is believed to originally be 800 or 900 years old. However, recent developments have discovered it's probably more 200 or 300 years old, but it's still a mystery we don't know. Hope you'll have a great day. I look forward to talking to you again.
Oh, what's up, guys? Now I see all this bamboo around here, and you would think, man, this bench is probably bamboo, but nope. This thing's solid metal.
I found a bamboo.
Come back for more details about this island. You ready? Whoa! Hey! I guess you're here for Bird City. There's no other explanation besides
175 white egrets behind us, just hanging out, enjoying this nice, lovely day in February. It's February 1st, 2025, and we see old duck blinds from 150 years ago that these white egrets have laid their nest on.
They would get limit after limit out here.
Limit after limit, mallards only. And so today we just celebrate the birds that have followed those ducks that got killed. We'll see you on the next adventure.
See you out there.
Thank you for tuning in this week. Here in the gift shop, we had a chance to get up close to a large alligator and the coolest black bear on the island. See you next week.